Hello, unfortunately, due to the lack of resources and options at my disposal, I am forced to do a car video. So please excuse the clutter, the claustrophobia, and what are we talking about today? Oh yeah, that's right, fucking Amber Heard, yeah. I'm sorry, what's that? Can you speak up? Why do I always make Amber Heard videos? Why do I make so many Amber Heard videos? You know what? Here's a better question. Why did you click on it? If you clicked on this video and then you want to go to the comments and complain about, Darth, why are you always making Amber Heard videos? Well, because you keep clicking on it, you dumb motherfuckers! You dumb idiots. Anyway, fuck me! I quit. I fucking quit. And now everybody knows why I wear a headband or a hat or a beanie, because it keeps the fucking ears on my head. That's why I wear it. Okay, it's not because I think it looks cool, it's because it keeps the fucking ears in place. It looks like the judge has ruled Amber Heard, if she wants, is allowed to be present while Johnny Depp gives the evidence against Amber. I mean, I don't understand why this is such a big deal. Maybe somebody can explain it to me. I don't see why this fucking matters. Wait, hang on. Tina, aren't we supposed to cut to like our opening credits at some point? Well, I know, but I never know what... I never have a good enough joke to just, cut. I mean, my jokes are usually founded in some kind of reality. What do you mean, like what? I don't know. I can't think of one on the spot. You can't put me on the spot, Tina. Okay, fine. Why did George Soros cross the road? Can you just guess? No, not to hang out with Jeffrey Epstein. He's already dead. Can you just be serious for a second? Why did George Soros cross the road? To give Black Lives Matter $1 billion.
Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He went. They said we've both been dancing all this time. What a coincidence.
And welcome to another episode. Welcome to another episode of Darth News Special Edition. Everybody hates Amber. Special Edition car video. We're in the car. We're in my car. So like I said, apparently the news is Amber Heard is allowed to sit in court while Johnny Depp pleads his case and gives all the evidence against Amber. She's allowed to sit there and watch him fuck her in the ass live in front of a judge. Why would she do that? Why is this even the thing? Do you think Amber's really going to show up to court? Do you think she wants to be anywhere near Johnny? Do you think she can look Johnny in the eyes while he's giving legitimate evidence as to her crimes? Now, this is bullshit in a lot of ways. Well, one, I don't think it's a big deal that she can sit in on the hearing, like on the whatever he's doing. Fuck! Personally, I think this whole thing is kind of dumb. I see why Johnny's probably doing this to try to block her from seeing him. He probably wants nothing to do with her, so he's going to do whatever he can to just not see her. But at the end of the day, I think that Johnny has the right to sit in on Amber as she gives her evidence against him, and Amber has the right to sit in on Johnny as he gives evidence against her. But do you really think that Amber's going to sit there and look Johnny in the fucking eyes as he is delivering justice, real hard facts of evidence that prove that she's a criminal? Do you think she's going to want to be there? No. I mean, if she shows up, I would be shocked. I don't think she will. I think this is just a big waste of time and people just want fucking clicks. Ain't that right, Tina? You know what, yeah. Amber Heard gets us clicks. Yeah, but don't worry. It's not always going to be Amber Heard because, to be honest, there's a whole lot more going on in the world that is way more important than Amber fucking Heard and Johnny Depp. No offense to Amber Heard and Johnny Depp, but there is some, like, the world is getting fucking crazy, and there's a lot of shit I want to start talking about. So if you don't want to hear my opinions on, you know, what's going on in the world, and you just want to hear Amber Heard news, then only click on the Amber Heard videos. But anyway, I'm getting off topic. I hate ranting. It's the car. It's being in the car. It makes me want to rant. So before I just keep ranting and ranting and ranting and ranting and ranting, before I keep ranting, let's just go ahead and read this fucking article. Applejack, oh yeah, Applejack's not here. Hey Tina, you got this one? You sure? Okay, you ready? Wait for it. This is your big moment to shine. It's okay. It's okay. One more time. You good? 3, 2, 1. Tina, hit it! Today's article is brought to you by The Guardian. It looks like Amber Heard can or is allowed to be in court for Johnny Depp's evidence. High Court rules. The judge says it would be unfair to stop Heard watching Depp give evidence in libel case over domestic abuse claims. And I mean, to be honest, I kind of agree, but I don't think it matters one way or the other, but let's keep reading. It looks like Johnny Depp has failed to stop his ex-wife Amber Heard from watching him give evidence in a libel case over allegations of domestic abuse. The actor is suing the publisher of the Sun News Group newspapers, NGN, and his editor, Dan Wooten, over a 2018 article, which we all know described Johnny Depp as a wife-beater. The article was referencing claims made by Heard 37 that Depp, we already know all this fucking shit. God, give me something new, please. Johnny Depp had sought to break with precedent for civil cases and ban his former partner, arguing that her evidence would be more reliable if she was not present in court when Depp was cross-examined. Now, in criminal cases, witnesses cannot be present in court while others are giving evidence, but in civil cases, this is possible. In a court order published on Saturday, however, Justice Nicole rejected the attempt, ruling that it would be unfair to inhibit the conduct of their defense. Now, Amber Heard will not be in a position to give instructions to NGN lawyers, but she can provide information on which the defendants may choose to act, he said. There is a benefit to the defendants in her being able to do that near instantaneously in the course of Mr. Depp's cross-examination, and in my view, it would be unfair to the defendants to deprive them of that advantage. The rejection is the latest development in a long-running pre-trial conflict between the legal teams of Depp and Heard. Last week, which I failed to report on, I'm so sorry guys, I skipped a whole video. But anyway, last week, the High Court ruled that Depp had breached an order in the libel case by failing to disclose texts that appear to show him trying to buy drugs. Ooh. NGN's legal team asked Nicole to strike out Depp's claim on the grounds that he had not provided them with the Australia drug texts, in quotes. The messages were sent in early 2015, shortly before Heard claims she went through a 3-day ordeal of physical assaults by Johnny Depp in Australia. Wow, so he just beat your ass for 3 days straight. For 72 hours, he was just beating your ass. Yeah, I believe it. I totally believe it. In late May, the High Court also ruled that the evidence from Heard's former personal assistant can be part of Depp's case in his claims, which I did report on, against NGN and Wooten after the former employee said that she had never seen any signs of physical violence, but dismissed evidence from the mechanic who worked for the couple shortly before the divorce. So what did we learn? I mean, not really a whole lot. This was kind of a waste of time. But what we did learn is that he tried to make this case a criminal case, because in a criminal case, the witness is not allowed to be there when the individual is presenting evidence against said witness. But in a civil case, you're allowed to be there. So, this is getting ridiculous. The whole thing is just getting out. I guess what I'm trying to say is this is just getting really redundant. It's becoming very repetitive. It's a back and forth and back and forth and back, and it's like a tennis match that has gone on for like 6 months too long. It's like, why are we still playing this game? Like, clearly there was a winner. Why are we still playing this game? I just want this to be over. I don't care that Johnny Depp did drugs or did whatever in Australia. I don't give a fuck. Holy shit, I just hit my window. Oh my. I hit my window. It just scared the shit. I thought somebody was rolling my window down, even though that's not possible because I'm inside the car. It's, oh. I drove to the woods so nobody would see me. I'm in the woods. Have you ever seen Deliverance? It's kind of like that. Yeah. No. The Hills Have Eyes was more like in the desert. This is more like Wrong Turn. Have you ever seen that movie? Yeah, maybe kind of. I'm gonna get like Blair Witch vibes. It's spooky. I'm a little spooked. I know. I'm getting off topic. So to wrap this video up with my conclusion, I don't think that this matters. I think this is super irrelevant to everything. I mean, are we supposed to be like shocked that Amber is allowed to sit in while Johnny gives his evidence? And like I said, do you really think Amber is going to want to sit in while Johnny gives his evidence? I mean, she can't even keep her fucking lies straight. I mean, like I said, she could put a hit out on Johnny and he could actually fucking get shot and die. I don't know, but nothing would surprise me is what I'm trying to say. Like, if Amber actually goes to court and sits down in that chair and listens to Johnny just as he rips her a new asshole with all of this evidence, I mean, fuck, man, if she actually goes, then we live in a clown world. Everything is upside down, right is up, down is left is sideways. We're so fucked. I don't know. I just think a sensible person wouldn't want to be there when you know you're guilty. And the person that you're accusing is coming at you pretty hard with some facts and evidence. Why would you want to be in that vicinity? I don't know. Maybe she wants to be there. Maybe she does. I don't know, but this is just getting crazy. And if you think for a second that because she's allowed to sit in on Johnny's evidence hearing, whatever, if you think that's going to change anything about this case, it's not. It's not going to change the outcome at all. This is so dumb. Okay, I'm getting sick of these stupid headlines just to fucking make noise. Yeah, here I am reporting on it. Yeah, because you know what? Fuck off. Amber Heard gets me views. And it gets me new subscribers. So that way the new subscribers can see that I will make videos that are not, just Amber Heard videos. And maybe, whatever. It brings me to a bigger audience. So fuck off. Yes, I'm squeezing the juice out of this fucking juicy lemon. And I'm going to keep squeezing it until it's dry. But anyway, my point is, this headline is just to get clicks. And that is it. I see nothing beneficial for either party with this story. Anyway, moving on. I know, I can't believe I did a car video. I know. You're welcome. Tina, it's not every day or it's not even every month. Every few, it's been a long time since I made a car video. So it's not every day you see a car video. I hope this was enjoyable as much as it was for me, because you probably didn't even realize it, but I was actually masturbating the whole time. I had my pants off and everything. I was having at it while talking about everything. Yeah. I know, I'm gross. I'm weird. Yeah. I'm sorry, what? Oh, you recoiled and cringe. When I talk. Oh, okay. I've said that before. I'm pretty cringy. Yeah, you're making this more weird because you're not even there and they know that and I know that, but I see you, but they don't, but who knows anymore, Can we just cut?